Hello, my people, Grand Rising. I salute you. Welcome, 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 welcome. This very cool. Kai. I can feel the soul of the owner of this vehicle. I'm sure they must have buy the owner, and this motor started looking this accidental while the owner was trying to escape. If you notice, the bumper is gone, and it really came to a violent stop. Just mmadụ ijizi aka agụrụ ọnwụ. Imagine. Yeah? Just using his hand to buy his buying. And this vehicle was very clean when they took it. It's just the element of nature that turned it this way. And people want us to forget Nnamdi Kanu. See, it shall never be well with all of you that are calling for the release of that murderous criminal Nnamdi Kanu. Really, you need to be very heartless. You need to be heartlessly evil. You know, when you come here, like I said on AIT the other day, nothing prepares you for this level of carnage. It's different when you're hearing people's testimony, not as if I didn't believe what the people were saying then, but it hits differently when you are there witnessing it, when you are there in person, seeing it for yourself. Like you can feel, right now you can feel the souls of the people they wasted in this community. You need to hear how dark, and can I use the word gravy? Like it sounds like a graveyard at this part of Orsu. Please, Orsu, Itukwa people, if you are from Uda, it would be nice if you are in Orlu and Owerri. If you are from Uda, even Onitsha, those of you from Nnewi South, please come back home and start cleaning your homes. Come back and start clearing your compounds. It's high time you people came back and clear your place, because while we will not make any quick withdrawal from here, the troops will have to be drawn down with time. And you know what security entails. It will take time for you people to get used to this. So the earlier, the better. We want to live at least in order. We want to live at least 150 people alongside the people we have here. Because when this is all said and done, all the people from Orsu, all the people from Lilu, all the people from Iseke, you would have to bring your own people as security, or if you are going to contract other people as security. Right now, I want to tell you people why these guys have been carrying out some evil campaigns against Alhaji Asari Dokubo, and I'm going to make a video on it. I'm going to make a short video on it and post later. The reason they hate Asari Dokubo is because his boys are the ones raining down hell on them here. Yes. Ask anybody here, the people known as Amama soldiers. You understand? Ask them about the people known as Amama soldiers. They are the ones these people fear. What of Lilu? Lilu is just as porous as Osumo. Because when all these communities are mentioned, it's not as if you don't see people everywhere in front of all these other areas in Orsu. I don't know the clan name. All those areas are clear. People are doing their businesses. And the whole of Orsu local government, I think it's just that a denta where they started running to. And all these, just a few places, but those are strategic areas. Okay? Those areas are strategic areas. That's where they are hiding. You know, when you do such a clearance operation and you fail to do it 100%, they are going to come back. Because the leaders of those bandits are from this place. Even though many of the foot soldiers are coming from outside, the leaders themselves are from here. They know themselves. In Osumohu, those of them from Osumohu know exactly the people responsible for what's going on in that place. The people that brought them. Kalistus Ochiara for one. Ndị Osumohu, Kalistus Ochiara unu na-agbara ọsọ kwa bụ nke nọ n'ọsọ na. I told you people, your silence is the only thing that emboldens these guys. If you come after them, you will see them running away. Okay, if he runs away from Osumohu forever, where will he be giving you people orders from? It's impossible. That is why you need to go after each and every one of them. You see how they are running around like rats. Many of them can't afford to go back to their own villages or the cities where they grew up in because they know that their neighbors are aware of all their crimes and their atrocities. But the money they are making from their kidnappings, carjacking, you know, see this one? You know, see this person car? Guys, please hit the like button and share the video first. Like and share the video. Hit the like button and share the video. Let more people come in. If I'm not looking any stress, I'm just waking up. If you know me very well, you know that I don't sleep at night. Okay? I don't sleep at night. That's why my face is this way. That's why you see I'm enjoying the morning sun. When the sun hits me at a certain point, you see my body opening up like a beautiful flower in the morning. So, leave my face. Now, because I did up all night following, tracking down some geopolitical events. After now, people will know waiting. They do where they sleep. Now then one can discuss geopolitics for you. Then when they tell them waiting happen even between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. because they haven't gotten it from their useless mainstream media. They will want to argue with you. I'm very fine. I'm very okay. No bother. So because of the money they are making from the kidnapping and from the things they are stealing, they can't go. They are hoping that we will stay a few days or weeks and go back. It's a lie. It's a bloody lie. This one said Eastern Harrison Gwamni. Fear. Now you be Harrison Gwamni issue. Akaponagi. Please don't join me with those people. Are you understanding me? I am myself. Okay? Akaponagi, which nonsense Harrison Gwamni issue? Fear. Because repeat gonna done nonsense again. Saying don't do half of what I do, why I go the answer Eastern Harrison Gwamni issue. Who the hell is it? This criminality when they do for Delta and they do state. Since they expose them, why kidnappers know they do state again? Why you know they hear kidnapping for Edo State again? Why you know they hear for Delta? When I go there, like the truth will be staring you guys in the face. This is what ruined Alibo to where it is now. People will be fooling you in your presence. Look at these useless boys now. Like I promised you people that I will go and make a video where they are packing people's palm fruit. This palm fruit you are seeing, see these palm trees. You see how well taken care of all of them are. Then, if the owners of these things are not in the village, who is the one trimming all these palm trees? Eh? Tell me, who trimmed all these palm trees? You only trim these palm trees because you are harvesting them. Are you seeing it now? If you see an unkept palm tree, you will know. If you na iron nke kpọrọ akpọ adịghọzi here. They've trimmed it. Watch the palm trees. You see how well taken care of they are. Because they are harvesting them. Chased away people from their communities just to be using their communities as base and committing crimes. Shouting Fulani herdsmen why they have emptied the entire communities, harvesting their palm trees, every palm fruit you see here. Me, I say I go thief the ones where they thief. I see they there, they back them there. I go tell Oga, he go give me some men. I go inside there now. I go video them. Come give one. If go do go in a month. In a month. Ndoshi. Is this place on enunku aka Biafra dunu? Ekowere Biafra dunu n'enunku ndị mmadụ. I say this Biafra they say they find. I don't know whether for inside people vehicle they keep them. Or Biafra the kind of Johnny Memota. Waiting concern the owner of this vehicle concern Biafra. This thing was gotten from their camp. Where the owner they? They go down buy them. See the vehicle. Waiting concern the owner concern Biafra. Waiting on top this palm tree na Biafra day. Uku akunde mother ekowere Biafra dunu ne. You see why they are pretending insecurity in the south. Oga, there is no insecurity in the southeast. What you have in the southeast is industrialized kidnapping and robbery. Amarachi and Ofoegbu. What we have is industrial scale criminality. There is no insecurity in Igbo. Bet me anywhere. Bet me there is not an ideological driven insecurity. This is just a crime spree. They've declared crime lawful. They set up a system whereby they are making money from people and giving percentage to the politicians. And somebody will be telling you, oh, in the north, in the Tonda. So, if northerners are fooling their own people, we should allow ourselves to be fooled. Is that what you mean? You know na gwa ibona obgodu na unkunu aneku na ndugu nzuzu. So kai wasuku ha da nzuzu oyi mean. No be on how they call northerners mumu. Now you they call them mumu. But now you want make we follow them, the mumu. Me and you know say for not now the resources where they there make these people, they buy people, they blow up everywhere. They don't know who be Christian, they don't know who be Muslim. But there are people, they don't train them in a way whereby the too much respect where they get for authority make them know they talk what they're supposed to talk. And those people where they the authority, them no say their hand down. Okay? This is the story of the North. This is what is happening in northern Nigeria. If all the resources in the northern Nigeria dries up today, we will not hear Boko Haram again. You will not hear ISWAP again. So, If they don't want to solve their issues, it's their business. It's their business. In Alibo, we know that we don't have any insecurity. What we have is industrial scale criminality. Are you understanding me now? So we need to call it out by name. No need of using compound nouns like, oh, Islamic fundamentalist, Biafran, with common buff with the boys on Ndoshi. They've institutionalized criminality. It's now a norm to the point that even I pencil. No son kwa them village one go thief another people land. Is he still denying it? No son kwa, please stand in the middle of Igwe. Give me date and time and I will come in front of Igwe. I still there in Imo State. So you tell me, you stand in front of Igwe, say it to my presence that you people did not want to steal more Paromume people land. This is the truth. How many people have lost their lands? Go to that court at Ruby. Many land cases there have been withdrawn from there. When this is all said and done, all those families that they gave people's lands, these IPOB, ESM people gave people lands, let me promise you, you will not live on that land. If you not like, Mona, you start, go buy the whole family. You will not take it. Any of you that are planning to go and buy the surviving members of the families in order to take that land forever, we go buy on our own family. Go mark them somewhere, and I promise. Now, see, we will use the Igbo judicial system. Nothing will suffice but the Igbo punitive system, which is you buy somebody, they will buy you. You buy somebody family, they will buy your own family. Like, you know, no two ways about it. Record them, go report me anywhere you want to report me. Record them, go send them to any judge where you want to send them. I will still tell them what, there is no judge I will not stand in his presence and repeat the same thing. I know the fear on her. You see on a judge, we they look at I be on a things I go come Lagos without informing all these organs. She be on a carry me go villa, go talk rubbish. All of us go there that villa now. They are the ones, you see in the evangelist, they are the ones doing this. All of them, their hand down. Indeed, but everyone just went quiet because you don't want to be targeted. Onendede. Omuka ne made evangelist and a mera noto. Let them go do their meeting, you know, go work again. From Bianco Juku to anybody, they give you names. From Bianco Juku to anybody, also quite to Bigiburu, anybody. Prepare yourselves. You see, every single scam in an Igbo must be exposed. Okay? Every single scam must be exposed. This is what got us to where we are. Oh, it's your brother. Why are you targeted? So your brother will be doing evil. You want us to keep quiet? Is that what your parents taught you? Is that what your parents taught you? So can I be able to and as what? As who? My people, let me tell you, the people who think they have the power to govern an Igbo are doing this because of the legitimacy you gave them. It is dirty politics that led us to where we are here. If you are from Anambra State, feel free to hate Soludo, but realize that he represents order in your state. Are you understanding me? Feel free to have your own candidate, but anything that will bring the stability of the established order, run away from it. If you are from Enugu, the same thing. You see, I'm battery. You see, I'm Umuoshi, Ezuchalan who transformed Dinobu. Let me just wrap up my point before I go off. You see, your governors, if you are from Enugu State, your problem is not that governor or how he got into power. Now them know how then they fight for power. Now them know how then they retain power. What your business should be is, what is the program of this governor? The money he has released, how are they being used? The same people that are collecting those funds from your governors are the same people training these boys, paying them. Why do you think there are politicians they attack and there are politicians they don't? Because they are paying them. And because some of those politicians are the grassroots mobilizers for your governors, your governor no go put eye there. Now he has made them the de facto representatives of him over there. Because now they win the election. And how are they winning the election? Is because that's your church where they use do your polling unit. Ballot box when no go come there, then go still temperate and so inside one politician house. All of us know these things. Let's tell ourselves the truth. So if this is the case, why would you even need the middleman? Fuck him up, go meet the governor direct. Go meet with the governor direct. This is how the power structure in Alibo works. Your bishops for those your priests, they are the ones doing this thing, and because they keep helping your governors to win election, many of them they will just leave what they are doing. Yes, because they know that all of you see those people as people who talk to God, so they are using you to show the governor that they have influence. If you go know so you cut him off. Bishop Tonda Bobukwegi no to Ishafu governor Kamuagejekwe Funkem. That way you will not need to speak to your governor through your bishop. No, he will. If the governor will stop leaving the churches and start campaigning in your street, why waste his time in the street or in your market or these places when they know they can just settle bishop and bishop will just use his pulpit to preach whatever he likes? How long are they going to run this scam on you? How long are they going to run this scam on you? Tell me. Yabu system, Aquagorosins. They used it to fool your parents, and you are also falling for it now. And on are there many local government, the local government chairman of Yosi, he has not put any money other than that first 3 million. This is the person that is the closest to the governor. I have not seen him here one day. I have not seen the Orsu LGA chairman. Akunu with the LGA chairman. Ndos Akunu with the LGA chairman. And this village is older here. The same Ndo da mami here meru. Brain Jota older. Odumeje older. Local government chairman older. Kedi hana datarun. Oh, chanunu, one name gaga, one negi organan. Oh, one negi game influence, Odumejo, one negi woke. Brain Jota, one negi woke, time age abadunu pisha. Brain Jota, Oriental brothers, con abadunu nego again. I'm not live on TikTok. I'm not live on TikTok, only Facebook. If he too pay me now, go Brain Jota them compact go do video. Well done. Baba Monsa. That I go Brain Jota compound, go do video, make one see. Kuno fuyenda. One come na go do machine, go but go nyara machine. You mean they are getting mere? Nah. Give me. Okay, guy, I'm bad on no. I can't do mechanic on it. Udo the one. Na sure ni time.
Machine. Na ya na gi machine.
On ke bad na unu furewa. Unu furewa. Unu furewa. Imi ni dia machine igoro.
Ha. Agwa buta rido ga egbo. Ta iri machine o ka
na village gi.
Ka I were je ozi o. Ha na no mo again.
Etu aka ye shiburu motorcycle na.
Na agbacha he re.
Chai.
Aya we je wa ya si lo lo po no.
Imagine. Imagine.
My brother, good man. Ndemeka.
Baba afa.
Ndemeka.
Chai. Nature animal fucha. All called na poultry gi. N'ime December. Boko your pot, boko coordinate na your poultry. Oh, n'ime poultry gi ka Biafra one day. They say, oh, get at the Lagos na aruko. For that, buruzie your poultry. Biafra we bia. Hey! These people. Ihe menu bụ ndị bụ n'idere bata ọbụgodu na a ga-eche nche aton by ton efuru valley anyị na-afụ Osumohu Azia Lilu Iseke Orsu Hitukwa unu kwesịrị inwe tango ndị ọbụla ga-enwe tango nke ha niile dị okay we were meeting this morning also Hitukwa ka ọ fọrọ na okay ana ga-ebido ozugbo ọ bụghị je bịa ekili anụ m na ha nọ na-ede nta na awide mmiri no na ya ka a na-achụ ha na ha jeje gbagacha ndị ma na ha ga-ezo nunu yes don't worry eji n'ike kwuo don't worry anyị ga-eyi ha egwu because I'm live ka ha hapụ ị na-ege ntị daalụ nwanne una dey hear am unplanned the guy just told you that they were stealing their motorcycles ọ n'ime motorcycle ndị mmadụ ka Biafra unu dị na inside people motorcycle na Biafra today. Even in poultry, they go attack in poultry, thief all in chicken. Now for December. No sure. No sure. These people foul, now they go back. They go back people foul. Yeah. Odoguata, please. You see this place, this conversation with this my brother. Cut it for me, please. Cut it. Cut this side. Even how many minutes this video don't they to tell me download the full video but cut this side for me. You download the full video, keep them because I know say the go edit it talk say I say this one. I said that, but I still repeat them. All of on awake by people family, then go buy all of on a family. Go mark them somewhere. Okay? They go mark them somewhere you need gown. All right. Please let me read one comment because I don't want to miss any bingo. I must commend you on this job because it's not anything close even with people. I will forgive you because you have tried to do something. Oga, forgive yourself. Forgive who? If you type this nonsense again, I block you. Forgive who? You dey forgive who? Forgive you na meg again. No, what did I do to you that I need forgiveness? Now, I'm supposed to forgive you for being stupid. Forgive who? What the kitchen may be? Now forgive you. You people that should be begging for not understanding what I was telling you since 6 years ago now. Narcissism na forgiveness bukwe gidi egbuo nne gi gbuo nna gi ma oburu ya nke a ga-eme ka o wee gi iwe. Ishibodi ye gidi. Who invited you here? Comment that nonsense again, I block you. And I forgive you nne gi. Forgiveness bukwe gidi. Una no get sense. You dey forgive you. For doing what to you? Onye na ayo gi thunder body kwe gi ishi there. Iya for bukwe ge, iya for ezileke bukwe ge, iya ezala kuwo gi. Kuwo nne gi, kuwo nna gi, kuwo your generation. All your children go useless. And I forgive you. If you don't withdraw that comment, umu ga anacha ni. You know the fear, the fear, they forgive you. Iya for ezileke ge egbu gi, gbuo nne gi, gbuo nna gi, ma na-eke ma n'ori afọ na nkwo ga ha dịrị gị na ma ọ dịkwa n'anya nwa. Na mmere gị gịnị na forgive onye. Na mmere gị gịnị nke m gwara gị bụ asị. I forgive. Thunder body kwe gi ishi die. Thunder body forgiveness aha ejikwa ebu na ndị bu unu ka ambulance. Ejikwa ambulance buru forgive na forgiveness ga. Trailer rekwa gị na forgive. Ihe gburu mere onye nwe moto anụ a moto ejiji otu aka life gị na that of forgiveness ga adị. Ishi na emebi gị. They forgive you. It shall never be well with your full family, since you don't even want to accept the truth. Risking my life for you? Let me block Orsu. Let me block one it. Now, I'm going to this type of people. You know, forgive you. Come on, what for you do also? This one said, do you really have a peaceful moment? If you notice, now you come here, not me come your page. So if you get peace, you for know they find where you go. Now me day here, peacefully they do my own jejely. Now you carry your two left leg, come. You they hear me? You see why we don't have patience for you stupid people? Why you go to use that comment? You they crazy, say they forgive you, they forgive your father. Eh? Now we go decide whether we want to forgive or not. You are 6 years behind at least. Meanwhile, we've rejected this their Biafran since 2002. You where they come around in 2026, they say they forgive us. Like waiting we reject 24 years ago. Now you they come now, they talk say they forgive Bukwegi ability say a person beg you come here. Now you go use your hand to accept reality. We know they beg anybody. If you notice when we started, some people will say, oh, please don't say Biafra. Say Nnamdi Kanu or IPOB. And even IPOB, it is up. We said what? Say Nashi, no hanchan, anything Biafra, it is Biafra. We will tell you the truth. If you don't want to accept it, it's your business. Now, if your conscience is now telling you how stupid you've been, come here. We don't even want your forgiveness, but don't come here and tell us you forgive who. Eh? Come here to tell us you for like your forgiveness. Forgiveness for telling you the truth or for telling you not to be stupid. Now, Odogwata, please help me cut that place. I had that conversation with that brother. Let me post it for the Apu Mokoko. Anokwana Atonya and I forgive.